So I'll have the door panel off, which is, I'm gonna do the door mirror. 310s. This one is straight up plug. You're gonna have to cut this guy off though. There is a way to save it, is there? No, it's the stupid clip. Yeah, you gotta cut her. Well, I'm not gonna do it. This is just a tutorial. So you unplug this guy. This one is the blind spot, as you can see. Blinker. Probably heated too. Got the camera. I doubt it's heated. It might be heated. For this thing's fully loaded, man. Look at this thing. Got paddle shift too. Look at this thing. So, door panel, like I said, over there. 310 mils. 1, 2, 3. And unplug her. Reverse order to put her back in. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.